My name is Neil Jones with A Perfect Fit Alterations, and we're at 102 Main Street, Burleson, Texas, and our phone is 817-447-3522. As we continue to explore the adventures of our serger, we have covered the setup of 3-thread and 4-thread, and of course we would then go through the cards to find anything else we wanted if we wanted to go with a 2-thread. 2-thread is not used very often. These machines are usually with 3 and 4-thread. This is an example of 3-thread serging, and the 3-thread serging is primarily to make sure that the sides of the fabric do not fray, and it is not suitable for the construction of a garment. Now, if we turn it over and you pull on it, you'll see that the threads are visible from the inside. This particular thread is not suitable for constructing a garment. It does a great job at keeping the ends of the fabric in good shape and stopping it from fraying, but it does not do a good job at constructing the garment. Now, here is an example of 4-thread sewing. Now you'll see that there's an extra row of stitching here, and then when we turn it over this way, you'll see that as we demonstrate, the garment is fixed together and there is no problem with it pulling apart, as there would be on the 3-thread. Now, there are various examples here. This is a knit fabric where the serging is used as a decorative embellishment in order to hold the side of the fabric together. And in this particular case, we have a garment that is constructed with serging right here, and then is used on the edge to stop it from fraying when we have a hem that's turned up there. So this is an example of the way the serger is used commercially, and you can regenerate this kind of sewing that comes from a new garment on this particular machine.